Table and column names in the database's design are not always going to be user-friendly. You can have different names displayed in the results of a select query using optional keyword as. This will allow you to display an alias for the column name rather than the original name the data table uses. For instance, let's pull information out of the department table once again. I'll start by creating a new query. As always, I'll start with the keyword select and the name of the column I want to pull. In this case, I want to reference the name column from the department table. However, I do want to be more clear that the values displayed are the department names and not perhaps the name of the head employee of the department or the name of the building the department is in. I can do that by typing in select name and then the as keyword, followed by the text I like the column to be labeled within the results. Again, these are literal text, not a command, so I need to include these single quotation marks. I'll call this column department name. Then I'll finish it with a closing single quote. Then you can continue adding additional columns as a comma separated list. I'll type in a comma, then the next column that I would like to display, in this case the group name column. I'll also give this an alias with as keyword, and I'll call this column management group. Then I'll come down to the next line and I will add the from clause. We are pulling these columns out of the human resources.department table. Finally, I'll finish the statement with a semicolon. When I execute the query, the results are pulled from the original tables, but you will notice that the column names have been modified to the custom names that we specified in the query syntax. So the values in the department name column are still coming from the original name column in the table, and the management group values are still coming from the original group name column. They are just given better, clearer, and more understandable names here in the results. This could be beneficial when feeding data to a report to clarify exactly what values mean, or when data table uses obscure acronym as column name you would like to expand so that end users of the information don't get confused. By creating a column alias with as keyword, you can display clear, human-readable column headers in your results.